Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. The air pressure is heavy today. Melanie, no jacket. Melanie's barbecuing chicken. She wanted to use the grill, and I'm running around doing all kinds of stuff. Been hauling a little bit of wood. You can see the smoke pouring by and graying up the yard. We got the wood stove going and cozy warm outside. It's freezing. It's cozy warm inside. It's freezing temperatures outside, just above freezing. We had snow this morning. The whole ground was white again. The earth was white again, but then it melted. It got just above freezing. And tonight is a winter weather advisory, starting tonight and going through till Friday morning. This is Wednesday. And there's going to be severe weather with snow and ice and up to 4 inches of snow coming up throughout tomorrow. So we're going to have some fun here. Melanie asked me to get the grill out, and we have some chicken grilling. I'm going to leave it closed because she was just here. But what's really cool is I've got this device I'm testing out, which I don't know when you'll have seen this video or will see it, but it shows the temperature of the chicken, the internal temperature of the chicken. And she has a whole chicken in there, well, cut in half, but she's got a whole chicken in there grilling that she's been marinating for a couple days. And that's a really cool device. And indoors I have my cell phone that hooked up to Bluetooth, and it'll set off an alarm when the chicken's done. So really cool device. I'll put the links down below, and definitely watch for that video, the unboxing and first impressions, if I haven't shown it already by now. Got the snow shovels on standby. I've got some firewood up here ready to go, make it convenient for us. The solar panels are on the greenhouse, so we're getting ready for the big one, the big storm. Not big, but you know, it's coming, and we're getting ready. Well, shutting down the car for tonight. Lock it up. You never know it. We're under a full winter weather advisory right now. It's dark out there. It's gray. We got severe storms coming tonight on through Thursday and Friday. I know I mentioned that earlier. It's just hard to believe. It's 30 some odd degrees. Melanie had the barbecue temperature out just for kicks. She left it out to cool, and she checked, I think it was 37 when she checked, or 36, she told me. Well, we had a great chicken dinner. Turned out very well, and we got to start getting ready here. I've got getting just things prepared for the storm. Getting the car ready for work for tomorrow ahead of time, in case we do have a lot of snow that I'll be able to dig out, concentrate on shoveling. So just getting myself prepared. I got to put away the grill over here and batten it down for the night. So not much happening on the homestead tonight, except for just hauling in firewood and keeping the place warm. But that's what happens when you work off the property. I got a job outside the homestead, and I get home when I can, and I do what I can here at the property. And tonight it's all about the storm. Well, that's it. A very brief video today. Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Mega Storm 2019. I'm making that up, but it sounds funny. Talk to y'all later.